Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I've tracked down 10 highly rated, absolutely free Windows apps that fly under the radar, true underdogs. They're not from huge tech giants, but they've all earned a reputation thanks to users like us. Each one improves on something Windows does by default, be it window management, system insights, note-taking, or just plain productivity. Stick around because by the end, your daily Windows routine could feel smoother, faster, and more fun, all without spending a dime. These apps are approachable for anyone, not just power users. So let's dive in. Number 1. Speccy. Speccy replaces Windows' basic system about and device manager info pages. It gives you a fast, clean breakdown of your CPU, RAM, motherboard, storage, and more, all in one place. Want to check temperatures, see which drives are used most, or confirm your RAM configuration? Speccy shows it clearly with no jargon. It's perfect if you're curious about your PC's internals or troubleshooting slowdowns. You don't need to dig through menus. Speccy pulls everything into a neat dashboard that's easy to understand. Whether you're shopping for upgrades or just curious, it gets the job done. Number 2. WindowTop. Tired of juggling overlapping windows? WindowTop lets you pin in any window on top, make it transparent, or resize it without using mouse drags. It enhances the default always-on-top toggle, which only works for taskbar items. Now, say you're watching a YouTube tutorial in one corner while taking notes in Word, WindowTop ensures nothing gets buried behind other apps. It's lightweight, smooth, and instantly boosts multitasking. Plus, its Transparency 2 tool is ideal if you want to monitor a progress bar or chat window without blocking your view. Number 3. Clover. Clover upgrades File Explorer by adding browser-like tabs, so you don't need 5 folders open in separate windows. Now, just like in Chrome, you can tab between documents, downloads, pictures, and anything else. It even supports bookmarks for quick access to your favorite folders. It's super lightweight, blends seamlessly with your desktop, and after a day or two, it feels like something Windows should have included by default. If you organize files regularly, this one makes it much easier and faster. Number 4. Soft Cleaner Free. While Disk Cleanup still lives inside Windows, Soft Cleaner Free gives you a more polished experience. It scans for junk, temp files, browser cache, leftover install files, basically anything you don't need, and offers one-click cleanup. It even categorizes files so you're not deleting something important. And unlike manual cleanup, it guides you through what's safe. The result? More free disk space and a snappier machine. It's ideal for anyone who's ever wondered, where did all my storage go? Number 5. Top World News. Instead of opening your browser to multiple news sites, Top World News brings headlines into a clean Windows interface. It aggregates articles from different countries covering politics, sports, entertainment, all in one scrollable feed. You can mark favorites, filter by region, or quickly glance headlines first thing in the morning. It's a pleasant step up from toggling between news tabs without the noise of browser ads or tracking. For those who like staying updated but want simplicity, this app is a fantastic daily companion. Number 6. Appetizer. Appetizer brings back the joy of a sleek dock, much like macOS but for Windows. You can organize your shortcuts, denote favorites, and launch apps quickly without digging through the Start menu. It works portably too. Drop it on a USB stick and take your personalized launcher anywhere. Customizable icons, skins, and even auto-run options make it perfect for users who want a stylish, clutter-free workspace. Simple, fast, and adds flair to your daily routine. Number 7. Ferdium. Ferdium takes what the default browser does, running web apps, and centralizes all your chat, email, calendar, and productivity tools into a single desktop interface. Think using Gmail, Slack, WhatsApp, and Spotify side by side, all neatly organized into their own tabs. No more switching browser windows or getting buried in tabs. It's ideal if you often keep several services open and want a cleaner, less cluttered workspace. Notifications pop up right on your taskbar, making it easy to stay on top of messages or updates. Because it's open source and community driven, there's no hidden costs or nag screens, just smooth, simple access to everything you use daily. It's also super lightweight, so it won't hog your system resources. You can even customize the theme and layout to match your work. Number 8. Vov Sticky Notes. Replacing Windows' built-in sticky notes, Vov Sticky Notes takes things further with customizable note colors, alarms, desktop pinning, and even multi-monitor support. If you like keeping reminders or quick thoughts visible, this tool feels more intuitive and personal than the standard app. It stays out of your way but is always right where you need it. You can even sync your notes or back them up. It's great for to-dos, appointments, or little ideas that hit while you're working. You can set reminders with sound alerts so you never miss something important. Plus, the autosave feature protects your notes from accidental deletion. Number 9. Break Timer. Break Timer replaces the default refresh your brain reminder you never set up. This tiny app sits quietly in your system tray, gently nudging you to take micro breaks. Stretch your legs, rest your eyes, drink water, or just breathe. You choose the timing, duration, and even the days it's active, so it fits into your lifestyle. Its simple prompts are perfect for anyone who loses track of time in meetings, gaming, or deep focus work. Over weeks, those short breaks help prevent fatigue, tension, and burnout. It's simple, non-intrusive, and makes your workday a bit more human. No guilt, no pressure, just reminders to be kind to yourself. It also keeps a log of your breaks, so you can see how well you're sticking to your schedule. The reminders can be subtle or full screen, depending on your preference. Number 10, AppStat. The default task manager shows running apps, but AppStat expands that dramatically. It tracks not just what's active, but every launch, usage time, and app resource consumption over time. If you're curious which programs hog memory or drain battery, AppStat logs it with timestamped detail. It's great for spotting weird slowdowns or identifying background apps you never realized were running. And because it keeps history, you can check what did I open this morning that made things lag. Super helpful for everyday users trying to stay on top of performance. That's our list of 10 free Windows apps that can make your daily computer use easier, faster, and more enjoyable. I hope you found some gems you're excited to try out. If you want the links to all these apps, check the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tech tips and app recommendations. Let me know in the comments which app you liked best, or if you have other hidden app favorites I should know about. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. appspeccy/bit. li/4nv /bit Clover hbit 44 lue. Soft cleaner free /3k5. Top world news /bit.ly/40 genum were Appetizer /3i952st. Ferdium /4n6winox Vov Sticky Notes bit 4k pay 4k wg7t. Break Timer for ECIKG AppStat Haley/4fd5z. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.